Boat Storm Smartwatch with blood oxygen monitoring features and 9 sports modes launched. Price, features. Boat has launched its first smartwatch, Boat Storm, with 24/7 heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring features. Boat Storm will be available for purchase from 12 p.m. noon onwards on October 29 via Flipkart and Boat's website. The smartwatch features 9 sports modes, over 100 downloadable watch faces, and has a metal body. As per Boat, the smartwatch is specially designed for those who perform high-intensity workouts and require precise health and fitness monitoring. Boat Storm price and market. The Boat Storm will be available at an introductory price of 1,999 rupees via Flipkart and Boat's website. It will go on sale at 12 p.m. noon on October 29. It is available in black and blue colors, and has removable silicone straps. Since this is an introductory offer, it means that the price of the smartwatch could go up soon. We've reached out to Boat for post-offer pricing details. As per both Flipkart and Boat's website, the original price of Boat Storm is 5,990 rupees, though that may not be the best indication. Boat Storm specifications, features. The smartwatch by Boat features a 1.3-inch touch curved display. You can also customize the dial. After the launch, a Nota update will be available through which more than 100 downloadable watch faces will be available to use. The smartwatch has up to 10 days of battery life and 30 days of standby time. As per the company. The Boat Storm has a 24/7 heart rate monitor and an inbuilt SpO2, real-time blood oxygen level, monitoring system. It also features a guided meditative breathing mode that guides on mindfulness and breath awareness, which the company says is in order to help lower your heart rate and decrease stress levels. The smartwatch has an inbuilt menstruation cycle tracker that can be used to record and predict menstrual and ovulation cycles. The smartwatch features 9 active sports modes that include running, walking, cycling, hiking, climbing, fitness, treadmill, yoga, and dynamic cycling. From the 9, you can select 8 of them at one go. The Boat Storm has 5 ATM water resistance, safe up to 50 meters underwater. The Boat Storm has changeable silicone strap options that the company says are skin and sweat friendly, and provide a comfortable fit. It also has curated controls that allow you to use the watch to control your music, volume, tracks, and calls. There is an onboard Find My Phone feature as well as smart notifications that can be received directly on the smartwatch. You can also download the Boat Pro Gear app to control and customize the watch. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.